Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news. Ibadan hosts first ever progressive youth festival as Saheed Osupa, Portable, and Smog Doctor perform live on stage. The much talk about progressive youth festival took place on Saturday, February 5th, 2022 in Ibadan at Liberty Stadium. The event was the first ever political event organized solely by young people and for young people, and the atmosphere at the stadium was electrifying. Youths gathered from far and wide in the Southwest and Kwara State to hear their counterpart in the governing All Progressive Congress (APC) speak about their youth agenda, which entails security, greater youth mainstreaming. Securing greater youth mainstreaming at different levels of leadership and decision-making, both within the party system and in government. This was also as they pointed out the fact that young people have the numbers needed to deliver Nigeria's next president, and that whoever emerges must be someone willing to serve the interests of the youth. Speakers at the event included Mr. John Nene Yaya, the youngest presidential aspirant from Kenya, young political office holders, aspirants, as well as business